Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Jackie here and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe before you leave this channel and stay tuned to see how I got this look. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and my Morphe 504 brush, and we're going into the shade Alert. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Sonia Kashuk brush and I'm going into that shade Rush. I'm just going to apply Rush directly on top and blend it outward. We want to kind of diffuse that color. Okay, so now we're going to deepen the crease, and I'm going to be using my Sedona Lace EB9 brush, and I'm going to that shade Secret, and we're just going to place that shade into the crease. I'm going to cut my crease. So that's about as good as I'm going to get before I mess it up. And we're just going to go back in and we're going to start smoking out the... We're going to go into Alert and put Alert on top of that. And now we're going to go into Rush and put Rush right next to that. For my lid, I'm going to be going into my Juvias Masquerade palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Jizza. So now we're just going to go back in with that brush that we picked up, the shade Alert, and we're going to just blend out that white into the next shade. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my wing liner. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clean off this pigment. Alright, so now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to apply some of my MAC Fast Response Eye Cream, only because I have like really bad bags under my eyes, and this helps with my bags. I'm going to moisturize, and then I'm going to apply my baby skin, my Maybelline Baby Skin. So I'm going to use Honey, and Toffee. going to go ahead and highlight with my Born This Way concealer. I'm going in with my Black Radiance setting powder. Now we're going to go in contour with my favorite Black Radiance Light to Medium True Complexion palette. And I'm going to be using that contour shade. I'm going to go in with that Sculpt shade. Okay, so now using my everyday foundation, I'm just going to go ahead and dust the rest of this off. So for my highlight, I don't think I'm going to do blush today. I'm going to do more of a highlight. I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses All Over Glow. And then I'm going to go in with my Jo Michelle highlighter. Alright, so I'm going to line my lips with Cork. I'm going to use my Liquid color in Innocence, Victoria's Secret. We're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Gloss in the shade Gemini.